talents. No? You can refer to your own, all your own books. No? You can write stories about yourself, right? I have also written, no? About Gurudev. How many of you have read it? It's a nice book. I like it. You also like, yeah, thank you. And talents, talents come, and then there is Sarva Samriddhi, then what else? There is abundance. And Jnana Raksha, the knowledge is protected. Whatever you gain, you're able to relate to it, inculcate it in your life. Just reading it alone is not enough. It's like, acquiring recipes. This recipe is not going to fill your taste or stomach, right? You need to know to cook. All this advanced course teachers are sitting here. Today I have been privileged to speak. Thank you for that opportunity. How many of you are doing advanced course here? Silence में है क्या आप लोग? अभी है तो भी नहीं बोल सकते. आज रात से, अभी रात हो गया. ऐसा है कि when people are in silence, I would like to address them. It's so nice. Why? They can't ask questions. I can speak. It's a trick. So if anybody is in silence course, I'll immediately say, okay, I'm coming to you. Then we told all the 5 qualities of being in the presence of the enlightened one. Did we say all that? Do you remember what are the qualities? Kya? Dukkha kshaya, Sukha avirbhava, Dukkha kshaya, Sarva samriddhi. Then Jnana Raksha ho gaya. What other thing? Talent, Sarva samriddhi. And then abundance is there. Whatever you wish, you will have 10 times. If you wish for happiness, 10 times it will come to you. If you are sad, that's the trick. It's not a dhamki. See, who doesn't have problems? Tell me. If you focus on the problem all the time, that grows in our life. This is a fact. So life, when you come to the master, they help you to look at life. Same thing. दृष्टिकोण बदल जाता है. कैसा? आधा ग्लास है या आधा भरा है? आधा क्या है? Half empty or half full, isn't it? So and Gurudev often says happiness is an attitude, you can cultivate it. And there's no sukhasya dukkasya nakopi data. Nobody is there to give your, either make you happy or unhappy. Your own mind makes you that. So that is where, it's very essential. जैसे दृष्टि वैसे सृष्टि. है ना? तो ये सब छोटे छोटे चीज़ को याद रखना है. That makes our life so total, so very easy. Isn't it? What do you say? स्टोरी हमको देखते हुए स्टोरी बोलते हैं सभी. स्टोरी हो गया, गुरु स्टोरी. Gurudev says we create history. Sach mein Gurudev, how he travels and every minute of his is spent to, take care of all of us, everyone's mind. Huh? How many more happiness, quotient can increase? How many more smiles? This is really so true, how he works for all of us. What we work is minuscule, nothing. Seva kuch nahi hai. Guru is doing seva to us. This is so, because he makes you really. How he takes care of our mind, how the mind is really, it can give you so much of problem, how through so many techniques, every year he gives you new technique, new meditation. Kitna sara meditation hai na hamara, techniques, just to make you, come out of that monotony. Because mind gets used to something and then it's not enjoying. So every time something navo bhavati jayamana, they say, our consciousness attracts newness. So we have to keep our sadhana every day, like that freshness should be there in us. That can happen through yoga, pranayam. Meditation definitely helps. What do you say? You're all doing everyday meditation? Have learned Sahasamadhi meditation? Who has not learned, please learn immediately. It's the greatest gift Gurudev has given to the world, this gift of silence, gift of meditation. It really makes you so confident, happy, all those positive qualities come up. And other than that, everything is so wonderful, wonderful being with you all. Every year we are growing old, but we feel young. We don't feel. We say, oh, this child was so small, now she is going to college. We feel like that, but I don't feel old. Anyway. So when you are with the Guru, with the Master, the enthusiasm is like that of a youth. So life is what? Life is joy, life is love, and life is enthusiasm. These three things if we remember, and first thing what we have to remember is life is enthusiasm. So enthusiasm to do our practices, our sadhana, enthusiasm to do seva, and now satsang. We have enthusiasm. Can we sing? We have such stalwarts sitting here. Yeah, happy birthday. Thank you.